So here we are on my channel, and if you scroll down to the tutorials, upgrade your Saber to OS 6 today. You know, I have Frederick's picture, Fernando's picture, and Brian Connor's picture. He's behind the scenes helping to write the code for the ProffiOS. This is Brian Connor's channel on YouTube, and Brian has a lot of cool videos on here. You know, he has a lot of cool makes, from weathering and cleaning up these little robots to making blade styles to, you know, making blade styles for some of the font engineers, like this one for J DeLorean. Um, you know, he does a ton of videos, and but I think the biggest area where Brian Connor has made contributions is in the OLED. Visible contributions is in his OLED videos. So and he's got a video series that shows you how to
All
make
right,
OLEDs.
here we
And
go with Simplify
he shows you how to
series
do it,
OLED images.
and you know,
Part
kind of
1 is
demystified the OLEDs in the Profi board group.
Okay, OLED display. Pretty simple. You hook up your 4 wires, ground.
Precursor to the sounds for Profi OS 6, and Brian actually did all the sound packs for Profi OS 6. Brian's got a sense of humor too, whether it's Springside or Profi board pronunciation.
So spring side your negative over here. So spring side over here is your negative. So spring side is your negative over here. Spring side is your negative. So spring side is your negative, and spring side your negative. So spring side is your negative right here. Spring side your negative for your removable battery. So spring side is your negative over here. Here's the proffieboard, of course, 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 the proffieboard, of.
There's another cool thing about Brian is he helped write the ability of Profi OS to ignite a dual bladed Saber, you know, with only using one Profi board. And Brian actually uses his props, which is cool. You know, he gets out there in the wild and uses them, films them. You can see his blade styles are awesome. Oops. And he has a sense of humor about it. Tune in on Tuesday, August 22nd at 8:30 p.m. to see Episode 5, Saber Nerds, NoSloppy Strikes Back.